Have you ever wondered why some of the most popular online tools suddenly disappear? Today, we're diving into one of those mysteries, the sudden closure of Oberlo. For those who might be unfamiliar, Oberlo was a game-changer in the world of dropshipping. It simplified the process of finding and importing products directly from AliExpress to your Shopify store, making it a go-to platform for many aspiring online entrepreneurs. So, why would such a successful platform shut its doors? Let's explore the potential reasons. Reason 1. Shopify's growing ecosystem. One of the primary theories is that Oberlo's closure is a direct result of Shopify's expanding ecosystem. Shopify has been actively developing its own tools and features to cater to dropshippers, making Oberlo less essential for many store owners. This could have led to a decline in Oberlo's user base and revenue. Additionally, Shopify might have seen Oberlo as a potential competitor and decided to phase it out to strengthen its own market position. Reason 2. Changes in dropshipping landscape. The dropshipping landscape has evolved significantly over the years. Factors like increased competition, changing consumer preferences, and the rise of social media platforms have made it more challenging for dropshippers to succeed. Oberlo might have struggled to adapt to these changes, leading to financial difficulties and ultimately closure. Reason 3. Internal challenges. While external factors played a significant role, it's also possible that Oberlo faced internal challenges. These could include issues with management, technology, or financial stability. These internal problems might have made it difficult for Oberlo to compete effectively and ultimately led to its demise. Impact on dropshippers. The closure of Oberlo has undoubtedly had a significant impact on dropshippers. Many relied on Oberlo for its simplicity and efficiency, and its disappearance has left a void in the market. However, it's important to note that there are other options available, such as AliExpress's official dropshipping program and other third-party apps. Future of dropshipping. So, what does the future hold for dropshipping? While the closure of Oberlo is a setback, the industry is far from dead. With the continued growth of e-commerce and the increasing popularity of online shopping, there will always be opportunities for dropshippers. However, success will require adaptability, innovation, and a focus on providing exceptional customer experiences. The closure of Oberlo is a reminder that even the most successful businesses can face challenges. While the exact reasons for its demise may never be fully clear, it's a valuable lesson for entrepreneurs and business owners everywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.